up? What's up? What's up? Welcome to the family. Welcome to the channel. Today's video, we're going to be breaking down gold, the one right there in front of us. Gold, all the majors, Eurusd, GBPUSD, USD JPY, and USD Chf. On top of that, we're going to break down Chfjpy and Volatility 75. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss out on any of that. If you're new to the channel, my name is Laurent. You can call me Black. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So gold, we're on a daily time frame. As you can see here, prices were actually in this descending channel pattern, right? And then last week, prices managed to break above it. And right now, they broke above this resistance, which has been turned into support, and above this descending trend line, right? So right now, what I'll be expecting to see is for prices to push a little bit up before they actually come back to retrace to this zone, which will be a support zone. And I'll be expecting to see prices to keep on pushing high until around 2000, around 1968, around here, right? 1968, 1970. So that's what we're expecting gold to push. It'll give us a little retracement and then push high. So that's all about gold. We do have EURUSD on the daily scale. We can see that prices have hit this resistance area, right? Closing them on Friday with a bearish engulfing candlestick within a ending diagonal pattern, right? So with this confluence, what I'll be expecting to see is for prices to actually break out of this pattern and keep on pushing lower all the way until in this support area down here. We have GBPUSD. GBPUSD, as you can see, prices are on this resistance area, right? From the weekly structure, you can see the prices on this strong resistance area. So what I'll be expecting to see is for prices to give us a strong bearish engulfing confirmation, right? A strong bearish confirmation, and then we'll ride with it all around until 1.34. So remember, they were breaking down all the pairs from the daily time frame. So this is a daily time frame. You should go into the lower time frames to look for perfect entries and all that, depending on the type of trader that you are, right? So we do have USD JPY. USD JPY prices on the daily scale hit this ascending trend line, right? And it's a third touch. This was the first touch down here. Let's mark them. Let's mark them together. It's been a minute since we actually analyzed the pair together, guys. And so from this week, around midweek, we'll be doing YouTube lives. So we'll be breaking down the pairs together. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be updating you guys in the groups. So USD JPY prices hit this resistance zone, support zone, excuse me, and hit a third touch on this ascending trend line. So I'll be expecting to see prices push up until around 111 until this resistance area is hit right here, and then we'll see with the momentum that it has what is it indicating, right? So we do have USD Chf. USD Chf prices closed on the daily on Friday with a doji on the 0.71 Fibonacci key level and on a resistance zone, on a support zone, excuse me. So what I'll be expecting to see prices push up until around here 0.92, and that's the move I'll be expecting to see right now in USD Chf. It's actually a very, very, very crazy move. It's actually around 300 pips. So it's a sweet move. You shouldn't miss on this one. Just look for entries. If you see a bullish confirmation, a bullish indication that prices have reversed, hold the trigger. And as I said, we're going to be looking at Chfjpy. Chfjpy, oh wow. So basically on this Chfjpy, prices on the weekly, let's start from the weekly. Let me remove this. I already analyzed this pair, so you know the vibes. So from the weekly, you can actually see prices on a weekly resistance area and have closed with a doji, indicating that this bullish rally might be coming to an end. It's been quite a bullish rally right here. As you can see, it came here, accumulated a bit, and then gave us another rally. So I'll be expecting for prices to retrace around this point here before it actually keeps on pushing higher, because the chances are This bullish rally isn't over, so prices will keep on pushing high. But I'd like to see a little bit retracement on until this previous broken market structure before prices, keep on pushing high. So that's from the weekly. Now going down into the daily structure. So on the daily structure, you can actually see prices on Friday again closed with the doji, indicating again a lack of momentum. So on the 4 hours, what I discovered was prices actually already broke the trend. So as you can see here, so I did align it to this bottom from the beginning here. Second touch, broke the trend, retested it here. And so now what I'm expecting to see for prices to push, give me some sort of bearish confirmation around this area, and then take the trade all the way to around 118. So it's going to be a sweet move, over 350 pips. So it's crazy, it's crazy, it's crazy. Let's look at volatility 75. Wow, prices are pushing low as crazy. So as we anticipated, prices keep on pushing lower. The Friday video I sent, I was expecting prices to push until this resistance area here, which I remember perfectly was around 0.618, right, around here. So prices didn't reach that zone and then ended up reversing at around the 0.5 Fibonacci key level. But as I told you guys, in trading, you don't have to predict anything. What you have to do is anticipate and do what the market does. So that's what we did. Once we saw prices didn't push up here, me and the guys in the VIP, we actually decided to adapt with it, and we switched to the lower time frames, right? So today we actually took a trade around here while this candle closed. I remember I took the entry from the 1 hour. So prices, you can see here, prices on the 1 hour were creating this after bouncing off the 0.5. Prices hit this first touch, second touch, third touch on this descending trend line, right? And then this candle, I think it formed it around, it was around the Asian session, so I wasn't up and I missed this entry, right? Now, when I woke up, it was around London and prices, gave us this sweet bearish engulfing candlestick full of momentum. And I sent the chart, with my guys, we gotta pull the trigger. We gotta take this entry right here. And right now, as you can see from right here, it was around 1991, 99, around 92, right? And right now prices at around 90,000, so around over 2,000 pips in. So it's a crazy move. Already 2,000 pips in. I just haven't told them to go break even yet. I think after this video, I'm gonna tell them that. So what am I expecting for prices to do? As you can see here from this 4 hour, it was a bearish engulfing candlestick, strong bearish engulfing candlestick. So I don't expect this move to be ending anytime soon. Our first take profit from this move is around here in this zone, and if prices break below this zone, we'll be expecting to take this trade lower to around 1777, right? Giving us over 12,000 pips. So that's our target, and I hope it plays out as so. If you've reached this part of the video, I appreciate you guys. Give us a quick like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon so that you won't miss whenever we release future content. This was Black speaking. Let's have a great trading week. Peace and love.